Hello Crypto Explorer, I'm back with another Konnex video today. If you can remember, in my previous video I talked about creating a video that will teach you how to train a robot in the Konnex Airdrop page, and this is what we're going to be doing today, right? I'm going to be showing you how to do that because this is the most rewarding task you can think of. As a matter of fact, you can get 50 KNX points daily for doing this very particular task, and the beauty of it is that it is very simple, right? Without further ado, let's hop straight into this very video. So for this very task, you're going to be needing three things, and those three things are your feedback, your EVM wallet address, which is your Ethereum wallet address, and your email, right? So these are the three things you're going to be needing: feedback, Ethereum wallet address, and your email. So to copy your Ethereum wallet address, it's really simple, right? So all you just have to do is just click on that copy button at the top of your screen, and then click on another copy button close to Ethereum. It is that simple. And make sure that the wallet address you're going to be copying is for the wallet that is connected to your Konnex, right? So once you open up your Konnex right now, what you have to do is to scroll down to this very text that says train robots daily, right? So this is what you're meant to click on. So once you click on sign up right now, this is going to take you to your default browser, right? In my case, Chrome is my default browser, right? So this is going to lead you to your default browser, but worry not, everything is still going to connect back, right? The dots are still going to get connected. All you just have to do right now is to choose the kind of robot you want to train, the task you want to carry out. So you just have to click on this drop down arrow. As you can see, right now, if you just leave this is going to be clean up guest room, but I'll put a click on that drop down arrow and you can see other tasks you can complete right here. I'm going to be selecting prepare groceries, and as for this is AI miner onboarding, and this is optional. You can see right here that this is optional. You don't really have to do that. This is a topic for another day, right? So you can just ignore that, right? So the next thing you're meant to do right now is to click on submit, right? As you click on prepare groceries, the next is to click on submit. And once you do this is going to generate a 1-minute video that shows you that you're meant to watch and decide what's wrong and what's right in that very video, right? So it's your duty to point out key failures in the task execution. A quick reminder, the task we selected is prepare groceries, so we're going to look at this carefully and observe if this robot is actually trying to prepare groceries. So from all indications, this robot picked up an item from the kitchen sink, which is kind of wrong, and then dropped it on a drawer, and then went on to drop another item on the sofa. So looking at this is actually wrong, right? So I've taken my time to prepare a feedback for this, right? So I'm just going to go ahead right now and copy this from my notepad and then paste it right here. So you can see I said the robot grabbed the item from the kitchen sink, which seems like the wrong spot to start, right? And he just dropped it back on the sink, then went to the drawer, picked up an item and dropped it on the sofa instead of placing it properly in a bag or on the counter. That placement makes no sense for preparing groceries. Needs better object handling and logical task flow. So this is the error that we just pointed out, and it's not hard, right? You can always explain to an AI if you don't know what to say. An AI will structure the statement very well for you, but you just have to use your human tone and fix things up, right? So we're just going to head back. I'm going to head back to my notepad right now and also copy the EVM wallet address I copied out. I'm going to copy that and I'm going to come back here and paste it right here. And the last thing I'm going to do right now is to enter my email address real quick, right? At the beginning of this very video, I explained how to copy your EVM wallet address. Really simple, right? So, but I just dropped it on my notepad so it will be easy for me. So after doing all this, you can now go ahead and click on the black button that says submit feedback, and once you do, this is going to say done. You're going to see the very blue button that says done. Now, how does the dots connect? How do they know that you've completed this very task? It's simple. You connected your EVM wallet address to the Konnex Airdrop page. So once you complete the task, this is going to register. So you can see right now, and I have about 250 KNX points, and you can see right here, if you just scroll down right now, you can see that this task has been successfully completed. It says great job, 50 KNX points added to your balance. Really easy, right? So this is it. You've completed this task, and you just have to keep doing this daily, right? Every day you get 50 KNX points. If you do it consistently for 10 days, you get 500 KNX points. And then you have other tasks right here, which is posting about Konnex daily, and where you do this is on Twitter, right? And if you want to post about Konnex, you have to post about Konnex using this very @ symbol @ Konnex_world, and once you make that post, you have to make sure it's a quality post, right? They're not going to be accepting AI slots, so you have to put in a human feel, a human tone. You have to optimize for human, right? And then you paste it right there, right? And you have to watch out for limited time tags, right? These tags come out sometimes, and if you're someone that does not pay attention to stuff like this, you would miss out on such tags, right? So you can see this is a limited time tags, and you're being asked to complete one quest on this very platform. So I'm just going to click on complete one quest right now, and if we successfully complete this quest, this is going to give us 30 KNX points. So this is Bing, right? Blink, and this very Blink right now is a prediction market platform, right? A prediction market platform designed mainly for crypto, right? Crypto charts and stuff like that. This is basically about crypto. You literally predict about chart movements and stuff like that. So this is, you just have to connect your wallet right here and log in, and then carry out the tasks you are being asked to carry out. It is that simple. So once you carry out that task, you come back. I'm not going to start explaining this right now because this is going to consume time. So once you do that, you come back and click on the claim button, and once you click on claim, this tax is going to load up, and with time you would be rewarded 30 KNX point. It is that simple, right? So do not overcomplicate this for yourself. So this is it for this very video. The purpose of this video is to teach you how to train the robot daily, and you can see this for yourself. You can do other stuff right there. It's not only preparing of groceries, and not submit an input you have submitted before, right? If you prepare grocery today, you can prepare the guest stream tomorrow. You can also train robots in different ways, right? And like I said before, if you want to give this one AI, make sure you first explain the scenario to the AI before you can copy that and paste, right? But make sure that as you're pasting, you have a human feel, right? Make it sound human. So this is the video I have for you today. If you have any question at all, leave them in the comment section. I'll try my best to respond to you as soon as I can. Konnex is an AI plus robotic project, and this is something you shouldn't miss at all. AI is trending, and AI is the future. Konnex is building for the future. Konnex is what you should be farming right now. I'll leave my link in the video description. For more Konnex video updates, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out at all. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.